So as you can see, we have code here that will iterate reverse pyramid. And initialize natin dito is 0. And then check the command. 0 less than 3 is true, so pasok sa inner loop. 0 is less than 0 is false, so dito siya papasok. 0 less than or equal to 2 times 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 0 less than or equal to 4 is true, so pasok siya sa if condition. 0 modulo 2 is equal to 0 ay true, so ang mag-output is yung star. After the output is modify and then increment. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 less than or equal to 4 is true, so pasok sa if condition. 1 modulo 2 is equal to 0 is false, so ang mag-output is yung else na space. After that, space, modify, and then increment. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 less than or equal to 4 is true, so pasok sa if condition. 2 modulo 2 is equals to 0 ay true, so ang mag-output is yung star. Modify ulit and then increment. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 less than or equal to 4 is true. Pasok sa if condition. 3 modulo 2 is equals to 0 ay false, so ang mag-output is yung space natin from the else output. And then modify and then increment. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 less than or equal to 4 is true, so pasok sa if condition. 4 modulo 2 is equals to 0. True, so ang mag-output is yung star. And then increment 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 less than or equal to 4 is false. And proceed sa command niya na console.writeLine. Nandito yung cursor natin and mapupunta siya sa baba since ang command natin is writeLine. Ibig sabihin, yung code natin is pababa na siya. After that command is increment for the initialization for the outer loop. Yung 0 natin is increment sa 1. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. 1 less than 3 is true. So pasok siya sa inner loop. So 0 less than 1 is true. So mag-output tong console.write na space. And then pasok din sa modify siya and then increment. So yung j natin dito is mag-increment ng 1. 1 less than 1 is false. So pasok na siya dito sa other loop. And back to the 0 ang value ng j. 0 less than or equal to 2 times 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 0 less than or equal to 2 ay true. So pasok siya sa if condition. 0 modulo 2 is equals to 0 ay true. So ang mag-output is yung star. After that, modify and then increment. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 less than or equal to 2 is true. So pasok sa if condition. 1 modulo 2 is equals to 0. So they are not equal, so false. Ang mag-output is yung else natin na space. After that is modify and then increment. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 less than or equal to 2 is true. Pasok ulit sa if condition. 2 modulo 2 is equals to 0 ay true. And output again ng another star. After that is modify ulit. And then yung 2 natin dito is may increment sa 1. Which is magiging 3 na siya. 3 less than or equal to 2 ay false. So, magko-command na siya ng console.writeLine. Mapupunta na yung cursor sa baba. Which is mapupunta sa row 2 and column 0. And then yung initialization natin na 1 is may increment siya sa 1. So, magiging 2 na siya. 2 less than 3 is true. So, pasok sa inner loop. 0 less than 2 is true. So, mag-output yung space natin dyan. Space. And then, increment natin to 0 plus 1. So, 1 less than 2 is true. And then, since console.write and then yung space natin, yung nakalagay dyan, mag-output tayo ng space ulit. And then, increment, magiging 2 na siya. 2 less than 2 is false. So, pasok siya dito sa another loop natin. And then, yung value ng j is back to 0. 0 less than or equal to 2 times the size, which is 3, minus the value of I is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 1 is 0. So, 2 times 0 is 0. 0 less than or equal to 0 is true. So, pasok siya sa if condition. 0 modulo 2 is equals to 0. True siya. So, mag-output yung star natin na nakalagay dyan sa ating if output. After the output of star is modify and then increment. So, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 less than or equal to 0 is magfo-false na siya. And then, command natin na console.writeLine. And, dyan na magtatapos yung ating output for the reverse pyramid pattern since na-hit na yung, or na-meet na natin yung size na dineclare natin, which is yung 3. Yan siya. Yan siya.